This is experiment number 2. Aim of this experiment is preparation of 50 ml of 10% mannitol intravenous injection IP 1996. For doing the experiment, we have to properly wash all the apparatus and properly dry all the apparatus. It is very essential for performing this kind of experiment, because if there is any foreign particle that are stick to the apparatus, it is then it is very difficult to perform this kind of experiment. So performing this experiment, the first we have to wash all the apparatus. Second, the sterilize the dried bottle that I have shown in the introduction part. We have to properly dry the glass bottle, and it should be autoclave at 120 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Coming to third point, we have to weight the required quantity of mannitol, and then it is dissolved in water for injection to make the solution up to the required volume. After that, we have to filter the above prepared solution that we have prepared with then it is filtered with filter paper. Then fill the filtrate which we have got after filtration into the dry sterilized glass bottle. That's why I have told that the glass bottle should properly washed and well dried to avoid the foreign particle contamination. It is very essential for the experiment. Then after fill the filtrate into the sterilized glass bottle, we have to sterilize the glass bottle. We have to sterilize the glass bottle by autoclaving at 120 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. So this is the procedure of doing this experiment. So that's why I have told that if any contamination is there in the apparatus, then it is very difficult to perform this kind of experiment. So we have to properly wash and properly clean clean all the apparatus. So this is the procedure of the experiment. As we know that mannitol basically it is used as a diuretic. It has a very important functions. That's why this experiment, it is very much essential for the students, for diploma in first year student, and it is included in their syllabus, that is hospital and clinical pharmacy. So by following this procedure, we have to perform this experiment. Thank you.